Now, spend a little time reflecting on your motivation for learning to practice mindfulness. Answer the following question. Why are you here, and what has brought you to this course? Pause this session now, write down your answer, then continue playing this session. Now, answer the following question. What would you like to gain from practicing mindfulness, and what would you like to be different after completing this course? Pause this session now, write down your answer, then continue playing this session. Thanks for making a note of your intentions. That is all for getting prepared for the course. You are now ready to proceed on to Module 1 of the course. In the next session, you will begin Module 1, which is all about escaping your autopilot mode, where you get to practice some mindful eating and body scan. Click the next video box to go to the next video in this course. Click the View Playlist box to go to the playlist for all course videos. Click the Go Back box to go to the previous course video.